Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. In today's review, I'm going to show you this laundry detergent from Arm & Hammer. This is the one plus OxyClean stain fighters, and this is the fresh scent smell. So this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent I like, especially because it attacks stains super good. It combines the Arm & Hammer freshness with the OxyClean stain fighters. So it's just good for every stain, any stain you have. It destroys 101 stains on your clothes. I cannot tell you everything it can make clean again, because it's a lot, but I never had a stain that this laundry detergent did not get rid of. It is made for 70 loads. You can just fill in a cup. It's going to show you at the back of it how much you need. And yeah, I'm going to demonstrate this to you when I'm turning the washing machine on. And I have a few of my daughter's clothes. She's 11 months old and she's making a mess always. So she has all types of stains on her clothes. And we're going to see if this laundry detergent is going to get rid of these stains. As you see, she's eating. We are playing on the playground. She's playing in the sand. She's playing in grass. I don't know what all these stains are on her clothes. It's a lot. We was in the park with animals. This is sand, grass, all types of stuff. She's eating strawberries at the moment, so we got some strawberry stains. And I'm going to put all of these in the washing machine. I'm going to make a full load. I usually wash her clothes on super hot because it's baby clothes and they need to be fresh. And then we're going to see what this can do. This works in normal washing machines or also in high effective washing machines. And the special thing about this is that this, like all the Arm & Hammer products, include baking soda. And I love cleaning with baking soda. You can clean almost anything with baking soda. And the Arm & Hammer brand baking soda is just amazing. And they have this part of this in this laundry detergents. One of their slogan is makes white whiter and colors brighter. So let's see if that is true. Okay, so I got everything in the washing machine, and now we're going to see how this is gonna work here. So in this bar you have, in this cap you have 3 bars. It says 1, 2, 3 on it. I don't know if you can see, but they're right here, 1, 2, 3. And it says for a full load we're gonna use a full cap. So that's what we're gonna do, half a load, half a cap. And if you don't have so many that's so many like stuff with hard stains in there, you can just fill it to cap number 2, bar number 2. So now I'm going to fill this in here, 1 full cap, and I'm going to use a little bit of softener just because I like my clothes are nice and soft. And I'm going to turn the washing machine on, and then we're going to see, I'm going to come back to you whenever everything is done. Okay everyone, so the clothes are washed, and now let's check how it looks. As you can see, I got these pieces I showed you, took them out, the stains are off, everything nice and clean again. This one was the worst with all the strawberry stains. Yeah, everything white, no stains no more, perfectly clean, can't complain. Jacket had stains, nothing there. Yeah, all the stains are removed. Okay, so I hope you're gonna buy this amazing product. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, stay tuned and watch our other reviews. See you next time.